Hey, good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Phil here. It's so good to see you. Boy, it took me a while to get here today because I'm having to walk around the house with these crutches and going up and down stairs. Whew, it's so exhausting. And so, but thankfully, Reginald and Green Gorilla were already here. They're taking such good care of me. I really appreciate you babies, for taking care of me like that. It's not easy when you're injured. And like I said last week, it's such a blessing to have good friends or family that can take care of us and help take care of us when we're sick or when we're injured, and have them by our side. And Reginald and Green Gorilla, they've been by my side the whole time. But let me see if I can put these crutches down here so we can do our song. But what's that, Reginald? Yeah, that's right. We learned about Jesus and the power of Jesus and how he calmed the storm while he was in the boat with his disciples. And they were all scared, but he was sleeping, right? And they were scared, so they woke him up and said, "Jesus, there's a storm out. What are we going to do?" And he just said, "Oh, ye of little faith." And he raised his hands and spoke some words. I'm not sure exactly what, but he calmed the storm. It stopped immediately. So, what's that, Green Gorilla? Yeah, that's right. Reginald tried to do that last week when it was raining really hard. We found Reginald outside raising his hands, trying to stop the storm. Well, Reginald, I don't think you have the kind of miracle power that Jesus has, and you're really good at the sleeping part, though. You can sleep really well. But I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. But hey, it was raining really hard last week, and most people don't like the rain because you can't play outside, and you just have to look from your windows and wish it was sunny. But the rain is really important. It's really important because you know what? The rain, it cleans off the dirty streets from all the buildup of dirt and grease from cars. It gives energy to the flowers and to the grass and helps them to grow. And so, rain is so important. It's so important. And sometimes it's a very good thing. And the other thing is, when it's raining or if it's cloudy and it seems kind of gray, but behind the clouds, the sun is still shining. It's always shining. Even if we don't see it, we know the sun is shining behind the clouds in the same way that God is always with us. Even when we're having a cloudy day, God is still with us. And so isn't that a comforting thought? Yeah, I think so too. So, hey, I want to do our song this morning, and it's called Rain on Me. And because of those very same reasons that sometimes rain is good, it can wash us clean, and rain is good. It's a natural shower for the world, okay? So it's a song I wrote a long time ago, and I've never played it for anybody. So you can be the first ones, all right? Here we go. You guys ready?
Ahead I see your rain clouds coming over me. My nature is to run and flee. Lightning flashes, thunder rolls as it hides the sun from my face. I need your cleansing grace. Behind the clouds shines the sun. Someday I will feel, but for today I need the rain that will heal. So rain on me. Rain on me. Let the wind come and blow my troubles away. Come and blow my troubles away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Amen. That's right. The Lord is our sunshine. Even on a cloudy or rainy day, God is with us. So thanks so much, boys and girls, for being with us. And oh, what's that, Reginald? You got to get to work on our Wi-Fi? Oh, yeah. Reginald is also our IT director here at the house. So he fixes the internet when it goes down. And yeah, usually he says, just turn the power off and turn it back on, which is what all technical people say. But I'm just kidding, Reginald. I'm just kidding. Most of the time, you're right when you say to do that. That usually fixes the problem. So thank you, Reginald. And thank you, boys and girls. Have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week. And we'll see you next week, okay? All right. Bye-bye. Say bye, Reginald and Green Gorilla. Say bye.